Let's cook. 1 kilo chicken on the bone or boneless, 2 medium chopped onions, 3 tomatoes chopped for garnish, chopped coriander and some green chilies, 600 milliliter water, 2 teaspoon salt, 5 tablespoon oil, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and some black pepper. For spice, we have turmeric, paprika, cumin and coriander powder, 2 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste and some whole cumin seeds roasted, grounded. On medium heat, add oil. Add onions and stir well, making sure that they don't burn. Saute the onions for a few minutes. Add salt. Stir thoroughly again. Make sure it doesn't burn. Now add dry spices. I grounded the clove and black pepper together. Now stir it thoroughly. You can lower the heat so it doesn't get burned. Add ginger and garlic paste. Stir thoroughly. If needed, you can reduce the heat. Make sure it doesn't get burned. Add all spice powder together. Stir again thoroughly. You can reduce heat if you see it's burning. We don't want spice to get burned. Mix it well. Add 200 milliliter water. Now you can increase the heat on medium high. Always make sure it doesn't get burned. I'm adding chili powder, 1 teaspoon here. It's optional. Stir thoroughly. Now I'm stirring the spices into the blend, also keeping a watch on the heat. If needed, reduce the heat so the spices don't get burned. Now add the chicken slowly. Stir gently. All the spices going into the chicken while I'm stirring well. Ensure all the spices coated into the chicken. Keep the heat at the medium high and make sure it doesn't burn. If you find chicken is sticking, you can reduce the heat. As you can see, I'm very gently stir everything, chicken and spices, not to get burned. Cover with lid. You can see chicken is bubbling. Stir thoroughly and gently. I will add tomatoes. And gently I will stir. While I'm stirring, I'm making sure also nothing is getting burned. Add 400 milliliter water. Gently stir thoroughly. On medium heat. Cover with lid. Increase heat to high. Let chicken cook for 10 minutes. Stir thoroughly. As you can see, sauce is thickening. As you can see, chicken is cooked. If you want your sauce to be more thicker, you can keep for a few more minutes on the medium heat. I am garnishing with roasted cumin grounded powder 1 teaspoon. And 1 tablespoon amount chopped coriander. Cover with lid, turn off heat, rest for 5 minutes. The stuffed chicken curry is ready. Enjoy.